Have you heard of the Salmon Sperm Facial? It's been trending everywhere, but behind the hype lies one of the most powerful regenerative ingredients in aesthetics today. We're talking about PDRN, short for polydeoxyribonucleotide, derived from salmon DNA. Here's the exciting part. PDRN isn't just another fad. It's a breakthrough in skin science that helps repair, restore, and regenerate your skin from the inside out. Think collagen and elastin boost, hydration that lasts, faster repair after treatments, and visible skin renewal even for sensitive skin. Keep watching, because what we're about to unpack could completely change the way you think about skin longevity and regenerative aesthetics. At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now. So how does this work? PDRN acts like a set of repair instructions for your skin cells. Imagine handing your skin a manual that tells it exactly how to heal and regenerate. Once these repair genes switch on, they wake up fibroblasts, which are your skin's natural builders. Fibroblasts then start producing fresh collagen and elastin. These two proteins form the scaffolding beneath your skin's surface, keeping it strong, firm, and resilient. As the structure rebuilds, inflammation calms down, redness fades, and your skin barrier strengthens. A stronger barrier locks in hydration like a sponge, so your skin holds water better. At the same time, circulation improves, bringing oxygen and nutrients to every skin cell. Step by step, PDRN transforms the skin into a smoother, firmer, and visibly brighter version of itself. At Skin Renewal, we've seen firsthand how PDRN supercharges in-clinic treatments. It's not just theory, it's regeneration in action. Here's how we deliver it at Skin Renewal. Microneedling. During microneedling, hundreds of tiny channels are created in the skin. When we infuse PDRN directly through those channels, it penetrates deep into the dermis where repair is needed most. This means your skin not only heals faster, but it also rebuilds stronger with fresh collagen and elastin. Post-laser treatments. After a laser session, the skin is already in a state of active repair. Adding PDRN here supercharges that natural healing response. It calms redness, reduces downtime, and ensures the energy from the laser translates into longer-lasting results. Post-peel care. Chemical peels remove the outer damaged layers of skin, making way for new, healthy cells. When PDRN is applied immediately after, it speeds up recovery, so irritation and sensitivity are minimized. At the same time, it enhances the clarity, smoothness, and glow that the peel was designed to achieve. Together, these combinations show why PDRN is more than an add-on. It's a powerful partner in advanced doctor-led skin regeneration. So whether you've heard it called Salmon DNA, Salmon Skin Saver, or even the Salmon Sperm Facial, the truth is this: PDRN is a proven powerhouse in skin regeneration. It works at a cellular level, creating stronger, firmer, more hydrated skin that looks and feels renewed. And when added to doctor-led treatments at Skin Renewal, it becomes a powerful tool for faster recovery and long-lasting results. This is why we asked you to keep watching. You've just seen how PDRN isn't hype. It's the science of regeneration. From collagen rebuilding and barrier strength to faster recovery and long-lasting results, this is the future of skin health. Now that you know the secret behind the glow, take the next step. Book your consultation at Skin Renewal today.